Welcome and good morning to this beautiful Winter Ark vlog. In this vlog, I want to guide you through a day of Winter Ark Journey. If you haven't heard of the Winter Ark, you might have seen some videos already on YouTube. My Winter Ark Journey is a little bit different. It's nervous system friendly. So we focus on rituals and routines that ground us, that connect us back to our body. And therefore, we start 2026 calm, grounded, and centered rather than being overwhelmed. And if you still want to join, you can. You will find the infos down below. This vlog is all about my routines, my daily rituals like journaling, meditation, going to the gym, the food we eat. And I want to show you that with simple routines, you can create a grounded and stable nervous system. That is my number one goal for these 90 days, to come back to my body, to my rhythm, and to bring clarity back. So let's have a beautiful day. I'm enjoying my smoothie, my shake Albert made for us, and this is so good. Like, this gives me such a good energy, and since I consume this, I feel so much better with my hormones, and it tastes very good. Okay, I just got ready and I'm gonna prepare some eggs for us and unload the dishwasher, doing some household, and then we're gonna go to the gym. Currently during this Winter Ark, because I want to focus on more protein, I love to start very simple, like with the shake, the smoothie, and then some eggs. So I keep it very light currently. I might gonna do that for the first phase of this Winter Ark, so the first 6 weeks, and then I'm gonna switch a little bit. But I don't eat that every day. I love to have also my oatmeal at some days. But this right now, also where I'm at in my cycle, this gives me a very good protein and I just feel warm and nourished after that. So always listen to your body, like no matter where you are right now in your healing or in your growth, realign your food with your choices, your preferences, what you need right now. For me right now, I need a lot of clarity and simplicity. So that's also reflected back in my foods. Of course, I look that I do have my vegetables, my fruits, and at the same time, I love to keep it very simple and light because I do have a goal for this Winter Ark. I want to come back into my old shape. I want to feel good in my body, healthy, strong, flexible, and for that you should choose food choices that support you, that give you a very good energy, that you feel alive and healthy. So always listen to your body. But I also love to cook very nourishing meals at the evening, and that's what I'll show you later. Okay, welcome to our gym. This is our amazing gym. I love it so much. Here we have everything we need, so there are definitely no excuses for this Winter Ark to come back into shape. I do have to say, sometimes it's very challenging for me because of my own nervous system. I feel immediately if I push too hard, my nervous system is pushing back and it's like shutting down. So you will see me now. I'm doing a mix of strength, flexibility, hip opener, relaxation, yet strength, because the goal is to be fit and strong, but not in a way like I have done it before, through pushing and grinding. Like, if you would have seen me like 4 years ago, I was pushing the weights, like HIIT. I was just giving HIIT classes. I used to be a personal trainer, but I cannot do that anymore. My nervous system is shutting down immediately, so that's why I also quit. I cannot do these strong workouts anymore. I need to do movements that nurture me, that love me, and yet bring my body into shape, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. I know how to do it, and yeah, let's have some fun. Nice, amazing workout. Okay, before we are going over to prepare dinner, I wanted to do a review with our beautiful Winter Ark guide, and I want to show you how I do it. So today is Saturday, and then I always like to take the time to review the tracker. For example, it's week 3, then I'm gonna look at my weekly planner and I kind of evaluate, okay, what went right, what should I do differently next week, and also using the reflection question. And it's the end of the week, so we still have tomorrow, but I can already tell, okay, you can see like all the trackers I use in the morning and afternoon, that's working well. But then when it comes to evening, I do struggle a little bit with bedtime and also doing my evening meditation, my evening routine. Then we have our weekly nervous system check-in. So important to see, okay, where am I at actually with my nervous system? And here we're gonna review, it's end of the week. So what did my skin show me this week? So for me, it started healing. And then how did I respond to myself? So this week I already started with more softness, with more presence, and that definitely helped. And also what rituals and words touch could I keep implementing to feel safe? Definitely the body oil, massage, and EFT tapping is one of my favorites, where I use affirmations for my whole body. And then we have the last tracker, which is the skincare tracker. I love to do that on a Tuesday, so I do have a different day. But at the end of the week, I love to reflect, okay, what other rituals or what else could I implement for the next week? And I also see the progress. So definitely keep the sheets from the workbook. And then at the end of the Winter Ark, you will see so much growth and improvement and the ups and downs you went through. So definitely keep track on your trackers. And when we're finished, what I love to do, I'm preparing myself for the next week. I'm gonna print out these 3 sheets again: the skincare tracker, weekly planner, and the weekly nervous system check-in. And then we're gonna start all over again. That was my little review. I hope that helped. You can find the beautiful workbook down below. It's our beautiful guide. You can still join me and be part of it. And we're gonna start other beautiful rituals like cacao. So definitely stay with me. Okay, time for my skincare routine, and I'm gonna take a very warm shower, also doing my hair, and then we're gonna do my skincare together, which I showed you in the previous video. It's very basic, very minimal, but it serves me with my perioral dermatitis, and also my skin got so much better, but I will show you a little bit closer after the shower. This is my very easy skincare routine. This is perioral dermatitis friendly, so my skin issues are treated by that with a very simple and sensitive way. And I love to take some time to massage it all in, really touching my face, massaging it, also using a gua sha at the end, and really taking some time to calm my skin. And it looks so much better already in 1 week. If you've seen the last video, you see my skin condition. And after that, I'm applying my beautiful body oil. Please watch the other video in the link, because this is so calming and soothing for your nervous system if you really want to calm down. And then at the end, I'm taking some time, brushing my hair and doing the gua sha. And that was it with this beautiful vlog. I hope you loved it and you got some inspiration out of it. Please take your time for this winter arc. You don't have to rush it. This is nervous system friendly. I love taking you with me. If you like this kind of video, let me know and we might do some more about that. Have a beautiful night.